Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to define next tense, which is your past perfect continuous tense. Before starting this lecture, let me tell you that I have recorded rest of all the previous lecture from this, so you may go in the playlist on YouTube or even on Facebook and you may watch the previous lecture, because if you learn all these tenses in a systematic way, then it will become easier for you in terms of learning these basic tenses. So past perfect continuous tense, basically it shows any action which was started in past from any specific time and which remained continue in your past. For example, he had been running since 3 p.m. If I say he had been running since 3 p.m, so it means he started running in past and till the end he had been running. वो आखिरी रिपोर्ट आने तक भाग रहा था. सो कोई ऐसा काम जो माजी में शुरू हुआ और किसी खास वक्त तक जारी रहा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज आई टोल्ड यू, जैसे यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल, वो शाम से काम कर रहा था. इट मीन्स ही स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन पास्ट एंड in past evening and still till the last report which I came to know about him, he was working. So this is your past perfect continuous tense. And if I talk about this structure wise, so usually it has identity like raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the with duration. In all the perfect continuous tenses, duration is common. Present perfect continuous, either past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous. One more identity which is very important, that is ta, raha, ti, rahi, te, rahe. And remember one more thing, that in past perfect continuous we have ta raha, ti rahi, te rahe. We don't have ta raha hai. If you just add hai, then it will become present perfect continuous second identity. Ta raha hai, ti wo bhagta raha, khelta raha, padhta raha. So remember, in this tense we will only use wo khelta raha, padhta raha, likhta raha. We will not add hai. Otherwise, as I told you, it will become present perfect continuous. Helping verb would be had been, and verb we will use first form plus ing, as like rest of all the continuous tenses where we are using ing form. Same is the case here. And with singular and plural we will use has, had been. Remember this point, that if we have any helping verb which is single in a tense, so we will have to use this single helping verb with singular and plural both. We have other examples like did, we use with singular and plural. Had, we use with singular and plural, and same is the case had been, we will use it from with singular and plural, because we have only single helping verb in that tense. Not like other tenses where we have has, have, was, were, do, does. If we have multiple helping verbs, so then we have choice of dividing them in singular or plural. So here we will use had been with singular and plural both. For example, वो शाम से काम कर रहा था, as there is some time is already mentioned sham se, since evening. So this is your past perfect continuous. Duration is there, sham, and then the identity is raha tha plus duration. This is your past perfect continuous tense. He had been working since evening. This is your positive tense. And then if you want to make it interrogative, so simply you have to bring helping verb in start of the tense. Had he been working since evening? And for making negative, simply you will add not with your helping verb. He had not been working since evening. So this is your past perfect continuous tense. Hopefully it must have helped you in terms of learning tenses. And if you liked my way of teaching, so you may take your online classes from me having paid a reasonable fee. The number is in front of your screen. Just call me, pay your fee, select your class time, and start the proceeding of learning English. Thank you very much.